Introducing the Hoover Commercial MPWR 40-volt cordless upright, part of the MPWR 40-volt cordless system. It combines cordless convenience with a lightweight and compact, low-profile design to enable your team to get the job done faster and easier than ever before. Powered by our new lightweight MPWR 40-volt battery, this vacuum boasts the premium cordless performance needed to clean large commercial spaces up to 8 times faster than with a cord, while also minimizing risks associated with traditional corded cleaners. Equipped with the Hush-Tone 2-speed motor, choose Hush mode for quieter cleaning with less disruption when you need it, while Boost mode delivers high-performance cleaning for large messes and high-traffic areas. And versatility is endless with the removable MPWR 40-volt battery. Expand your productivity and runtime with additional batteries, or use it to power up other products from the MPWR 40-volt cordless system for versatile cleaning all around. Plus, at up to half the cost of other commercial cordless vacuums, both your productivity and budget go further than ever before. The Hoover Commercial MPWR 40-volt cordless upright vacuum. The next generation of cordless is here.